Hi there, students. To estrange with an es at the beginning. Estrangement, the noun, and estranged as an adjective. Okay, this verb to estrange gives the idea of to alienate. This word is particularly used in a family setting. Yeah, I think you most commonly might see this word. He has become estranged from his wife. This means that they don't live together anymore, that they have become alienated and they live their own lives. Okay? You can also use to estrange, meaning to bring to make a relationship that turns sour. Yeah, to lose the affection of somebody where previously there was a friendly relationship. So when my friend got married, we began to become estranged. Yeah, the relationship was not as close anymore. I can understand. I can understand why as well, though. Okay, so to estrange, to live apart from someone, particularly from your wife or your husband. Um, let's see. I think in modern society, the estrangement of children from parents is something that is becoming more prevalent. So, an estranged child would be a child that doesn't have any relationship at all with their parents. Okay, so to estrange, to alienate, to feel less close, to cease to have contact with, particularly from a family member. Yeah, particularly somebody you're close to. So a person becomes estranged, they become alienated and separate. They feel much less close. They become separated. You can also use to estrange, meaning to take something out of its normal concept, to remove something from its normal context. So, for example, if you estrange an item from its historical context, very often it loses its meaning. Yeah. Okay, so you separate something from its normal environment. Um, one of my criticisms with some teachers is they tend to estrange English from the culture that goes with it, and I think culture and language are inextricably mixed. So I don't think it's good to estrange language from the cultural environment in which it is used. Okay, so to estrange, to create mutual enmity between where there has previously been love. Um, okay, he became estranged from his mother. She became estranged from her family. Um, I guess if you become a hermit and live alone, then you become estranged from society. Yeah, you live in a different place. Yeah, and then estrangement. Yeah, the estrangement from his family made things very difficult for him. Okay, very often we use this word passively, to be estranged from somebody who you formerly loved. Yeah, or you could use it to his fits of temper estranged his family. They alienated his family. Okay, so to estrange, to make somebody no longer on friendly terms, to separate from them. Yeah. Notice this word is really quite a formal word. I think I would give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation, maybe just. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French étranger, to treat as a stranger, which comes from Latin extraneus, meaning a foreigner or a stranger. Notice as well in Spanish we have un extraño, somebody who you don't know, a stranger. So to estrange, to alienate, to become separate from, particularly in a family setting or with friends, where you stop being friends and you become more and more distant and probably have no contact with them at all. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Estrange, estranged, estrangement.